Hello folks, welcome back to Outdoors with Mike. Hope you all staying safe from the wildfires. In today's video, how to make chili.
Oh, Lee's gonna have some. Oh, look, it looks delicious. Yummy.
It's very delicious and guarded by Melinda Gambler, April's sister-in-law. It's an awesome, delicious chili she makes. She's gonna show us how. Stay tuned. Okay folks, here's the products we're using. Melinda's gonna explain it to us. Start with this one, Melinda. What is that?
Peppers.
Yeah.
Celery.
Yeah.
Tomato paste.
Yeah.
Mushrooms.
Yeah.
Brown beans.
Yeah.
Kidney beans.
Yeah.
Diced tomato.
Yeah.
Chili tomato.
Yeah.
Garlic powder.
Yeah.
Cayenne pepper.
Yeah.
Chili powder.
Oh, nice. That's the products. All that for our chili. Oh, stay tuned. It's gonna be very delicious. Okay, folks, we forgot to say the garlic. Can't forget the garlic. Melinda's gonna cut up some garlic, add it to the products. Right there again, the products. Right there is the garlic. She's cutting up the garlic. Melinda got the one package of this and a big hamburger one here. That's the hamburger there. April's steering it. Nice. Right there. Yeah. Yeah, start with your hamburger, folks.
Roaster, not a
Oh yeah, a roaster, yeah. She got like a cup of water, add water as you go. Yeah, it's gonna be delicious. Melinda's gonna show us how to make chili. Yeah, Melinda style. It'll be very delicious. The garlic. The garlic went in, folks. Chopped up garlic. All right, folks, Melinda is cutting up the celery. We need celery in our how to make chili. Yeah, it's coming along. Look at that celery. Nice. Oh, all right, folks, the pepper is coming along. She got the pepper cutting it up. What else vegetables you could use, Melinda?
You can use like yellow onion or purple onion, green peppers.
Yeah.
Red peppers, whatever you want to.
Whatever you like, what kind of vegetables do you like, eh?
Sometimes I'll use the real mushrooms.
Yeah.
And you just chop it.
Oh yeah.
Those are good.
That's educational. Yeah, it's coming along, folks. The peppers are getting diced up. Okay, folks, it's been 25 minutes. It's coming along. Look at that. How to make chili. Nice. Okay, folks, the vegetables are going in. The celery and peppers. 30 minutes it's been cooking. Yeah, 30 minutes. Nice. Yeah, okay, coming along. All right, folks, giving it a little stir. Look at all that colors. Nice. Okay, folks, we're opening the products, the can. With the can opener, yeah. We'll get it open for you, the products. Okay, okay, Melinda's draining the mushrooms. Gonna show us how she does it. She holds it on the can opener. Yeah, strain your mushrooms. Okay, folks, kidney beans. She strains it also. Just so you have the beans itself. Okay, folks, kidney beans. She's rinsing them off.
Yeah, because you don't want that red.
Oh, the red juice, eh?
Yeah.
From the can. It looks like fresh now when you cleaned it. Yeah, continuing on. It's coming along right there. Look, folks. Whoa. Okay, folks, it's been 1 hour. Time to add the ingredients. There, yeah. Okay, what's going in?
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes. Been 1 hour. Smells really good. What's that one? Tomatoes? 3 cans of tomatoes. Diced.
Brown beans.
Nice.
Mushrooms going in.
Kidney beans.
Washed kidney beans. Yummy.
Let's see.
Whoa, look at all that colors, folks. Oh, it'll be very delicious.
Extra lean hamburger probably would be good.
Extra lean?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's a little bit.
And now what we do?
Just cover it for a bit.
Cook it, continue cooking?
Yeah.
Oh, we'll cook that for a bit, folks. Continuing on. Okay, folks, it's been an hour. She added about how much, Melinda? A cup?
Not even a cup.
Oh, yeah. Just so it's a little
A little bit.
watery, yeah?
So we probably only put
Just like that kind of texture, folks.
we probably
she added
only
water?
put like a cup and a half water. I
Oh
think.
my
Yeah,
Lord.
Yeah. Oh, look at that colors, folks. An hour and
Is it done yet?
an hour and 10, an hour and 5 minutes. She added a cup of water just to get that texture. All right, folks, it's been an hour and 10 minutes. What you're adding, Melinda?
Salt.
Salt's going in, folks.
Just start it
Yeah.
whatever.
Yeah, just like that.
When you feel it, you'll know.
Yeah.
Garlic.
Garlic powder going in. How to make chili. Oh, I could just smell that
Pepper.
Good in here.
chili. Pepper going in.
Cumin.
What?
Cumin.
Oh, cool. What is cumin, folks?
It's like chili powder.
Spice? Oh, okay.
Cayenne
Tell us
pepper,
in the
a
comments.
bit of cayenne pepper to give it a little,
Cayenne pepper?
Not lost.
a little bit of a kick,
Yeah, nice.
and
Look at all the colors again.
It's not slap your mama, it's cayenne.
Yeah.
chili powder.
Yeah. What is that?
Chili powder.
Chili powder. Mm.
That's the main
Yeah.
ingredient for chili, right? Chili powder, yeah.
Oh, look at all those colors. Nice.
That's what
That's
makes
awesome. Yeah, we're going to cook that chili. And what the temperature you cooked it on, Melinda?
375.
375 the whole time, eh?
Yeah, on this roaster oven.
Roaster oven, nice. Yeah. If you cook it, folks, you could use the vegetables you like, and as you cook it more and more, you just get better and better, I think.
We'll let
All
it
right.
simmer, and then we'll see how if it needs more chili powder, or we'll add more.
Okay, sounds good. Continuing on again. Oh, delicious. Can I have some? All right, folks, the chili is cooking for an hour and 20 minutes. The tomato paste is going in. 2 cans of tomato paste.
And I'm gonna add a little bit more of this
Okay, not a problem.
chili powder.
Chili powder, a little more going in. Sprinkled on.
A little bit more of this
What's that one?
cayenne pepper.
Cayenne pepper, a little bit. Yeah, she's been cooking it for a while. She knows
Oh my god. it looks so
the
good.
ingredients. Yeah, how to make chili. Yeah, we'll cook it some more. It's been an hour and 20 minutes and on 350. It's coming along.
More cumin
Okay, a little bit cumin went in, folks.
and a little bit more
It's been cooking for an hour and a half.
chili powder. I put a little bit more.
And she put another chili powder in, she says. Yeah, continuing on an hour and a half. Yeah. We'll cook it a little more and we'll plate it and taste it. Oh, Lee's gonna have some. Oh, look, it looks delicious. Yummy. Nice.
Melt in your mouth.
Melt in your mouth, folks. Okay, folks, how to make chili is done. Melinda guiding us. Looks very delicious. Let's try it. It's really good, folks. Hope you try this. Hope this video was educational and helpful. Brings value to your kitchen. Thank you, Melinda Gamler and Lee Gamler, for the holiday trip and education video. Yeah, bye for now.
Peppers,
Yeah,
celery,
yeah.
tomato paste,
Yeah.
mushrooms.